Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It is 72 degrees, mostly cloudy outside right now, but it's still looking pretty good. We got Claybro first in the chat today. Boom, baby. That's what I'm talking about. And click that free Discord if you guys aren't in already. Dark Matter second. Nick F. Let's get started. Dark Matter, you are correct, man. I did not drop a like. YouTube makes it very difficult for me to drop a like on my own live stream. Dang it, man. I wish I could. Pudgy. Not fair. You gotta be faster, man. You gotta be faster than that. Keith Geb, good morning to you. Michael, good morning. Robert, Outdoor Smile. J-Bones, yo! Simonino, what's going on, man? King Mamba, one and only. 1111 Simon, Vecna, and Michael, man. Boom, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Michael, man, good morning to you, and a good old fist bump to you as well, man. My gosh, looking good today, guys. I'm here. Next level is here, ladies and gentlemen, and Vecna likes clapping cheeks. Going like this. Okay, Vecna, good deal, man. Don't clap too hard, though. It might hurt. Guys, we've got AMC in the top left. It is down 1.54% today. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 12.36 right now. It is up 2.74%. GameStop down, unfortunately, 3.03% today. We've got the QQQ reacting extremely positively to the inflation data out there. QQQ is currently sitting at 325.22. We've got good news across the board. We've got good news because of inflation. Okay, but listen. Okay, we do have a one month decrease in inflation, and you guys, you've got to remember the inflation, yes, is most likely going to decrease because we're going to start comparing it to prices that were already inflated. See what I'm saying? Like, even if we compare it to last year, those prices were already starting to inflate. So therefore, we should naturally see a decrease in inflation as well. If a gallon of milk cost you $2 and now it costs $10, next year if it costs $10, the inflation rate is 0, but it still costs $10. It's still bad news. So, yeah, nonetheless, though, we do have a slight decrease in inflation. We'll look at that in a second here, but I do want to go ahead and look at the NASDAQ up 2.63% today. Loving the inflation data. We've got GameStop sitting down 3.5%. Biora Therapeutics, a.k.a. Prog, baby, sitting up 40% today. I believe Devil's Advocate said something about it in the Discord, but I don't know what's causing this rise here. We can go check the news out in a minute, but Biora Therapeutics up 40% today. Man, that is a gain if I've ever seen a gain before. Ethereum, everybody loves Ethereum. Everybody loves the Ethereum merge, I should be saying. And Ethereum really driving higher today, up 8%, well above $1,800 per coin. And it is coming back to those levels that we were seeing in May. So Ethereum does look very solid right now, retesting these levels that we were seeing in May back here. So solid moves for Ethereum on good inflation data, and we have had a nice bounce, but guys, it does not mean, I mean, you see this bounce right here, right? It does not mean we can't curl back over. I just don't know if I can continue saying that we've got rising inflation because now we have falling inflation, even though it's still very high. Shiba looking good. Shiba is up 3% on the day. Bitcoin looking good, up almost 4%. Sundial up 5% on the day, sitting at $2.83. Molinado, not that good, sitting at 79 cents on the day. CEI sitting at 35 cents. The SPY up 2%. My gosh, BBIG still suspended. Highcroft Mining barcoding at 99 cents. Netflix sitting at 242, up 5% on the day. Netflix loving the inflation data as well. Redbox. Redbox getting hit hard, man. Redbox down to $2.20. Where does this put it on a daily? Redbox getting hit hard today. Do they have earnings? I don't even know if they had earnings or not. It's not on the chart yet. But Redbox coming back down to these lows right here. Very interesting to see that happen. Clovis up 13% today, starting to bounce back off of these support levels right here. We've got Box down. Ooh, Box is getting hit hard, down 17% today. Revlon down 9%. Terra Luna Classic is up 1.50%, sitting at 9,800 points per coin. And the QQQ, ladies and gentlemen, does not seem to want to stop for anybody or anything. QQQ may be breaking out on this inflation data news. We're going to have to see how the rest of the day goes. But nonetheless, man, massive gains and massive losses across the board, depending on what stock we're talking about here. 26 in here and only 6 likes. Oh my God. Click the like button, guys. What are you doing? Clay, but AMC ran up to 22 on January 2021. Do you remember if the buy button was taken away when we hit 22, if it was taken away in the teens and ran up to 22 where the buy button is away? So, Simon, I do not know the timing of that because yeah, I don't know the timing of that, man. Jeez. Let me try to see if I can see it, cause GameStop was rolling too, and I believe that it's the day that GameStop went from like 400 back down to 50 and then started to go back up. So we can see what day that was for AMC. But if it's all the same day, I don't know exactly what time it happened. Dude, I'm almost positive that it was this day right here on the 28th. I think it may have been in the teens, man. I think it may have been in the teens. I could be wrong, but I think it was the day that GameStop had its wild day. So you can see AMC basically opened up at $20 per share this day. And this is when GameStop started to go wild. But then the next day was extremely volatile, and I believe that's the day that they took it away. So that would have happened in the teens. I don't think it was this day right here. I think it was this day. And okay, it says 120, but it was $480 because this is multiplied by 4. I thought it was this day. Look at the volatility on this day, going from 120 down to $27. $28, $120 to $28, and then back up during that day. And then the next day, right back up to $103 per share. That volatility was insane on GameStop, man. And then coming back down, everybody thought it was done. It was at $40 per share. This is showing $11 per share. And then I remember this day, it jumped up to like $90 here. Was rolling at 90 after hours. And then the next day was a massive gain as well. But I'm pretty sure that it was this day right here, which would have put AMC in the teens as opposed to the 20s. I could be wrong if you guys remember better, but I thought it was that day. We can come back out here. I'm a diamond, bro. Julia is a diamond, bro, baby. I love it. Down 9K in BBIG, they gotta get their stuff together. In fact, now that is true, and they gotta get listed again, man. They gotta start trading again. My gosh, BBIG is something going on the 16th. What is it, Vecna? Is it the fact that they're gonna be relisted, or trading once more? Check out. Did you check out? What are your thoughts? Kalani, did I check what out, man? You gotta let me know. Can you give a quick rundown of how mining Bitcoin or Ethereum works? So yeah, Pudgy, mining Bitcoin is gonna be slightly different. Mining Ethereum is gonna be slightly different in the future now. But yeah, rundown, dude. You can use one graphics card. You can literally use one computer if you want. Or you can, build a specific computer that has like 6 graphics cards, 10 graphics cards, unlimited amounts of graphic cards hooked up to it. So basically, if you're mining Ethereum right now, this is going to change in September once they merge. But if you're mining Ethereum, all you do, man, you build your little desktop computer. You don't even need a monitor or anything. You take your motherboards, you take your graphics cards, you take your little CPU. The CPU can suck, the RAM can suck. The best thing you need is the graphics card. The motherboard can suck. All of that stuff can be terrible. The graphics card is what does the work. So what you do in your hard drive, this is actually one of my miners' hard drives right here. It's just this I think it's a 16 gig flash drive, dude. What you do, you just go on Simple Miner or whichever platform you want to use, and you download a little program, and you stick it in and plug it in, and it allows you to start mining. This has got the code on it. It starts to generate all of the hashes from your graphics card. And the hash rate is basically how many times it's pushing out that code and trying to solve the cryptography and complete the code. But what you basically have, man, is a computer. You plug it in and you turn it on. And if you go to simpleminer.com, let's see if I can pull up. I think it's Simple Miner. It might be Simple Mining. Simple Mining. It's simpleminer.com. So what you would do, man, you go to simpleminer.com. You can download it and install it right here. Okay? And it's very simple to download and install it. Literally all you need is like a 16. They tell you might need an 8 gig flash drive, but I got a 16 gig flash drive. Download it and install it, and you literally plug it in and turn your computer on, and it starts running. I am not mining right now because the coin prices are so low. I would actually be paying more for electricity than I would for. So yeah, you need a 7+ gig flash drive. So you're good with 8. But this is basically what it would look like right here. This is what the platform looks like. I'm not gonna log in, because I don't even know if my thing's working right now. But this is basically what your dashboard looks like. And you can choose, you can go in here to the settings and literally choose any coin that you want to mine. And something you guys should probably look at if you are, if you're thinking about mining, whattomine.com is actually a pretty good mining calculator for graphics cards. So these are the different graphics cards that you can choose right here. And they've got a list of a ton of different graphics cards, right? So you could choose that 100 3090s is, dude, that's going to cost probably tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. So let's just say you got one 3090 graphics card. You'd plug that in there. That's an NVIDIA. I know because it's showing green on this platform. You would plug in one 3090 and click calculate. Okay? And this is taking into consideration 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Dude, I used to have electricity at 6 cents per kilowatt hour. Now my stupid electric bill is 13 and a half cents per kilowatt hour. Like, forget you, Ohio. That's too expensive, dude. It was like a couple, 4 or 5 years ago, it was 6 cents per kilowatt hour. Now it's 13 cents per kilowatt hour. So anyway, you plug this in here, and these are all the different mining programs that you can look into to mine all the different coins that are out there. But none of this stuff really matters. If you know your specific graphics cards, you can tweak the hash rate and all that stuff. And you can tweak the wattage that your graphics cards consumes. But these guys are pretty accurate with their... I mean, they've literally tested all of these. So they're pretty accurate. You would come down here and you can see that, okay, if you're mining Ethereum today, it's going to be the most profitable coin. If you've got one 3090 graphics card with Ethereum at $1,800 per coin, you're going to be mining $3.25 worth of Ethereum every single day. 24 hours a day, your stuff's not going to shut off. That's $2.48 profit, according to the 10 cent per kilowatt hour multiplied by the amount of electricity that your 3090 is going to take. Now, that would be, you would only have one graphics card running if you were literally just running your computer mining. So you'd be making $2.50 profit, $3.25 profit, or $3.25 every day in Ethereum if you left your computer running. Now, if you actually had a miner, you most likely have 6 graphics cards. You most likely are running 6 graphics cards, at least, if you've got a miner. So you'd be looking at about $20 a day that you'd be bringing in on that miner right there. If you don't want to mine Ethereum, you believe that Conflux could do better, you're going to be making $15.93 a day. If you believe that Ethereum Classic's going to do better, you can be mining $14.96. If you like Raven coin, because from the current prices on Raven coin, it can 20x or 28x to get back to its all-time highs, whereas Ethereum is only going to like 2 or 3x from this point. You might mine Raven coin and bring in $14.30 a day. Now imagine, it's $14.30 at the current prices. If Raven coin did 20x, like it has done in the past, and it gets back to its all-time highs, you would have essentially been bringing in, $300 a day at that point. Every single day that you let the miner run, you would have been bringing in $300 a day in Raven coin, assuming that the price goes back up and you don't sell those coins that you're bringing in. So these are a couple websites that you should probably look at if you are considering mining. Whattomine.com and simplemining.net, I believe, is where you can get the platform. Simplemining.net. And look, it is a free 30-day sign up, right? And all you need to do, if you don't want to pay, I think it's $2 per rig if you after the 30 days. It's $2 per rig. If you don't want to pay it, just change the email address on your hard drive and then you can just keep it for free. So it's up to you what you want to do with that one. But yeah, a little breakdown on how it works. I'll show you something else real quick. If you're mining Bitcoin, you're not going to be mining Bitcoin with any of these graphics cards. You're going to need an ASIC miner to mine Bitcoin. It's literally a pre-built miner in this weird box, and you can calculate the... I don't even know which one we have clicked here. Do we have any of these clicked? No, I don't know what we got clicked. But if you're mining Bitcoin here... Alright, I don't know which miner this crap's looking at. I can guarantee you're not making $7,000 a day on a cheap miner. But nonetheless, okay, I don't know what the stats are on these ASIC miners right here. But they're claiming that you would be making $7,000 a day mining Bitcoin. And that's probably going to cost you $1 million. So some of these settings are probably messed up right here. And these are different miners that you can go out and buy as well. If you want to buy a Bitmain Antminer E9, the 24-hour profit is $60.86. I have no idea how much a Bitmain Antminer costs. Let's see if we've got a cost right here. Let's see. Alright, I don't know what this thing costs, and I don't want to start going to all of their websites and pages. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like, man. And they're saying you're going to make about $60 a day with this thing right here. If you're mining Ethereum, you're looking at $66 a day, and you got all these other coins that you can mine as well. But I don't know the cost on this, so let's see if these guys got a cost on here. Okay. So it does look like these guys want, gosh, I don't even know what this, dude, this is like 14 grand, looks like. Somewhere around $12,000 to $14,000 for this miner. And it's going to be bringing in $60 a day. Personally, think you can do better if you are looking at some cheaper graphics cards. But yeah, nonetheless, they want 14 grand for that one right there. That's an ASIC miner. You can't do anything with that except mine cryptocurrency. If you're using a GPU, I mean, clearly you can build a computer. If you no longer want to mine cryptocurrency, you don't think it's worth it, you got a nice computer at that point. So I'd probably go the GPU route just because you can have that repurposed use. But, I mean, clearly it's whatever you guys want to do, right? But websites you should use, simplemining.net. Very, very easy to set your miner up with simplemining.net. And then what to mine. You can see, maybe you guys already have graphics cards sitting around. You know, if you've got your current desktop with a 480 in it, RX 480 or AMD 480 GPU, you can come in there, click that, click calculate, and you're going to be able to make about $1 a day in Ethereum if you're mining that with one of those older GPUs right there. And clearly you can click all these different GPUs and figure out which one's the best if you guys are trying to go load up on GPUs. If not, I mean, I don't even know what an A5000 is. I don't even know what an A5000 is. A5000 is going to get you $2.71 a day in Ethereum. What else they got here? Ooh, this one looks big. 6900 XT. We got one of those bad boys. Every 6900 XT is going to get you about $1.73 in Neoxa. Ethereum, $1.70. So Ravencoin, $1.65. So it's all like what you guys want to mine. If you believe Ethereum's the future and you want to have some passive income in Ethereum, and that truly is passive income. Remember, you're profiting this $1.34. But you literally don't have to do anything to your miners if you don't want to do anything. You just got to go buy the graphics cards. And then if you want to keep your graphics cards, sell your graphics cards, all that stuff, you absolutely can. And very sorry, guys, I was going on a very long tangent about mining cryptocurrency. But we're back. I don't know who Brandon is, but these people sure do want him to go. Yeah, let's go, man. Hope everyone started watching preparator channels like I've been suggesting, so you aren't in shock with it. Yeah, man. I actually have not been watching it, but I'm not going to be in shock with anything that goes on. Trades, a loaded VRM at $1.60. Are you in that play too? Huge squeeze. No, crypto, I am not in VRM. Last month, I did have some VRM call options, but I was basically in it for that month. They expired at the end of July, and I am not currently in VRM. I know it got blasted yesterday. It was down like, 35% yesterday or something, and it is up 3% today. So it does look like Trey either got in a couple weeks ago, or it looks like Trey may have gotten in just today or something. But no, I'm not in VRM. Massive squeeze play, maybe, I don't know. Definitely looks dangerous if it doesn't squeeze, man. VRM has not been doing well. So if it's not a squeeze play, if it doesn't end up moving higher, not exactly sure I'd be touching it. But I do know a lot of people come in here talking about it. Took a chance on it last month and never ended up making anything. But I got out of those call options a little bit before they expired. So where we at? When not squeeze, but take profit. When not squeeze, but take profit. On VRM or on AMC? Hey, you know what the 200 EMA on SPY is? I do not, Ed. I do not. We've got this SPY right here. We've got moving average, EMA. You want the EMA, and you want the 200. Oh, where did you go, man? Why did it just disappear? So it would be about $418.19 right now. You can see the 200 period exponential moving average on the SPY would be about, it's on a minute chart. You talking daily? If you're talking daily, we did just cross 415.17 would be the daily for 200 period exponential moving average on the SPY, and it did just cross over today. So if that's what you're looking at, if you think it's good news that we crossed over, please know that we are crossing over on inflation data. That's why we're rising higher today. The market absolutely loving the inflation data that we got, coming in at, I believe, 8.5% inflation. Last month was 9.1%. Expectations were for 8.7%, coming in at 8.5%. So the market rallying on that news right there. But nonetheless, we did cross over on the 200 period exponential moving average on the daily SPY chart. So you got that right there if you want to watch it. Let's watch the QQQ, see what happens here. See if it moves. Let's see. Yeah, Chris. Everything's a squeeze play these days, dude. Everything's a squeeze play, though. No such thing as anything that's not a squeeze play. Everything red except for Sundial. Sundial is looking good. It's 6.32% higher today. But look at Biora Therapeutics, man. I don't know if Devil's Advocate's in here or not, man. But Prog is rolling 40% higher on the day. Prog is actually looking really good today at 40%. I don't know. What's the news they've got out there? Let's see if we got any news on them. Because I did not see the news. There's gotta be some news. 7:14 if there... Oh, 2 hours ago. We do have news. Successful completion of device performance study in ulcerative colitis patients for its targeted therapeutics program or platform. All right. So we've got successful completion of a device performance study in ulcerative colitis patients. Nice. Positive study anytime in any pharmaceutical company. It's always going to be good news. So Prog is rolling today based on some very positive news. Man, you already would have... Listen, we're running into some hard support or hard resistance here at this dollar level. But doubled your money in this area right here if you were able to get it at 56. Nonetheless, dude, I'm way back here somewhere. Way back here somewhere when Prog was rolling higher. So I got a ways to go. But yeah, Prog looking very good today. Go out here. We're good to go. Cool. Prog. QQQ. See what happens. Me and you. Awesome. Buzz Lightyear time. To infinity and beyond. Let's go. Shiba to at least 1,300, please. And thank you. Man, John J. asking very politely. Come on, Shiba Inu coin. Let's go. To infinity and beyond. Someone told me that we may, but didn't give the... What, price per share? Is that what you're talking about? Someone told me, yeah, Ed, so we did cross over today, man. We did cross over today. And I would imagine the QQQ, okay, see, QQQ is very close to crossing over. It's still being used as resistance here. But the SPY definitely did cross over today. And it was sitting at 415.17 was the 200 period moving average. And it did bounce up on the inflation data. So we are above by about, I don't know, $3 or whatever on the SPY today. So we're going to have to see if it holds. But nonetheless, man, we've got some massive gains. I don't know if they're going to hold or not. But it's on good news. And I like that. At least I can justify a move higher when it's coming on good news. And that's what we've got going on with the overall market right now. Rallying on the inflation data coming in lower than expected. I mean, like 3,000 on Prog, nothing too sexy. Ooh, Vecna, $3,000 is sexy. What are you talking about, man? $2,000 is very sexy. You see EVM being delisted tomorrow. I did not, Bronson. EVFM being delisted tomorrow. That's probably going to lead to a decline today. Yes, down 16% on the day. And being delisted tomorrow, determined to delist company securities. Yeah, man. So, most likely because it's been below $1, right? Unable to regain... Well, I don't know. They haven't been below $1 for very long. So, I don't know why they're delisting. I don't know why they're delisting, man. If you know why, it might be easier for you to let us know why than me going in there and trying to read that entire article. And figure out why they're delisting. But yeah, nonetheless, dude, it does seem like it's going to go down from here if they're delisting there. Last mention, Coinbase earnings. Yes, I do have thoughts on Coinbase's earnings. Talked about it in the video this morning, and I think I'm going to make a video specifically about Coinbase's earnings. Dude, Coinbase got ripped, man. Coinbase got ripped. And Coinbase was actually up today, which makes 0 sense to me. Coinbase should not be higher. I don't care if the inflation data is good news. Coinbase should not be higher today. Coinbase should probably be back down here on the earnings that they reported. Coinbase has a $1.1 billion loss that they reported. It's $5 per share. Every single share lost $5. It was a negative earnings of $4.98 per share. Revenue came in at $3 million. I thought I saw $808 million. So my revenue coming in at $803 million. That is down from the, I believe, like 1 billion something, 1.8 billion that they made last year. Coinbase is just getting ripped, dude. Monthly active users fell from 9.2 million to 9 million. Revenue falling to 803 million, below expectations, I believe, of 860 million. And their earnings per share coming in at a $4.98 loss, or a $1.1 billion loss on the quarter. Coinbase is in for some tough times, man. I don't like it. Let's see. Coinbase is actually losing $3 billion per year. Dude, Coinbase is probably losing a little bit more than that. I know they're talking about the 1.1 and adding it to the slightly lower loss during the first quarter. If we don't see an improvement in the third quarter, like a drastic improvement, I'd say they're going to continue sliding. And people believe that Coinbase is just too big to fail, that it can't go under. Dude, I personally believe that the governments want them to go under. If you look at the banks that the governments bailed out back in 2008, you can't have a failed banking system. The banking system is the government's financial system. You can't have that fail. If that fails, you pretty much lose everything as a government. And therefore, they had to bail them out. Coinbase, on the other hand, goes against the government's financial system in a decentralized. I know Coinbase is centralized, but cryptocurrency is supposed to be this decentralized finance space. And that goes against what governments want, man. So I don't expect any sort of a bailout or anything, or any sort of help from the government to Coinbase. And Coinbase is in some very, very difficult times right now. They should not be up 4% today. Their earnings sucked. Their earnings were terrible. They should not be up 4% at all. Darn it! And I was big Clay as opposed to little Clay. You guys got to tell me that. You're in big Clay. Dark matter. Yes, man. Dark matter. No. Dark matter even told me, and I didn't see it. Dark matter, thank you for letting me know that I was in big Clay as opposed to little Clay. I was supposed to be little Clay on that one. Not trying to make sense. We're trying to make dollars over here. Backs on that, Pudgy. We don't need those little cents. We want all the dollars. Good morning, all you glorious apes. They're trying hard to drop AMC, but it's futile. They can't suppress the price forever. We run soon. Let's do it, Frodo. Yeah, look, dude. Today is actually a good day for the overall market, but we do have some stocks that are getting hit very hard. Redbox actually down below $2 now. Redbox is sitting down 43. I got to see if Redbox had some news, guys. I didn't see Redbox's news today. It's down 43% to $1.98. Golly bum, man. What do we got on Redbox? Pre-market losers. Yes. Did Redbox... I don't know if Redbox reported earnings, guys. Okay, Redbox says merger deal with Chicken Soup approved by shareholders and may close Thursday. What is this merger, man? Two crap companies coming together? Okay, well, clearly can't see anything on Seeking Alpha. Thank you for nothing. Let's see if I can get it on Market Watch. Wednesday morning filing. The shareholders voted to approve its merger with Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment. The vote took place on Thursday, saw 39.5 million votes for the deal, as well as 1.3 million votes against the combination. My God, they got blasted in favor. Fox expects the closing of the transaction to be completed by merger agreement. It may occur on August 11th, pending expiration or termination of the waiting period. Okay, Redbox agreed in May to be acquired by Chicken Soup in a deal that would give shareholders of Redbox 0.087 shares of Chicken Soup for each Redbox share. Shares of Chicken Soup closed Tuesday at 11.35. That's implying a deal value of about 99 cents for Redbox shares. Wow. Yeah, guys, if you're in Redbox, I would... You guys can't see this. Let me show this to you. So Redbox is being acquired by Chicken Soup for the Soul here. And we've got a valuation on Redbox of 99 cents per share. This is if Chicken Soup's still trading at $11.35, which... it is above $11.35 right now. So, what do we have here? .087 times, what's the price on Chicken Soup? 15.16. All right, guys, we got a current value on Redbox at about $1.30. Okay, about $1.30. If you want to play Redbox, if you want to try and arbitrage the difference in this merger right here, if Chicken Soup for the Soul goes up at any given time, if Chicken Soup for the Soul is worth more than, or if Redbox is worth more than 0.087 times the price of Chicken Soup for the Soul, you can arbitrage the difference there. But Redbox at the current price of Chicken Soup would have to fall to $1.31 in order for it to make sense to buy Redbox right now. Redbox is most likely to continue declining today. If not, these people are just going to lose money. So I would not buy Redbox. If I were you, I would not go buy Redbox today. It's not just a cheap stock. It is being acquired, and it should merge and be delisted as of tomorrow. And you're going to get your shares of Chicken Soup for the Soul. You're going to get 0.087 shares of Chicken Soup for the Soul for every 1 share of Redbox you got, which gives it a current valuation based on Chicken Soup for the Soul's price of $15.16. Redbox is worth $1.31. Don't pay more than $1.31 for Redbox today. Unless, of course, Chicken Soup starts to go even higher, but it's already had a massive gain today. So I don't know if it's going to go any higher than what it's currently at. But I would be skeptical about buying Redbox today. So kind of stay away from that unless you guys see this price drop drastically to $1. If the price of Redbox drops to $1 today, it probably would be a decent buy at that point, because you're going to be able to get more value for that. It's a guaranteed gain if Chicken Soup for the Soul just maintains its value into tomorrow. So watch out for that, guys. Don't get hit on Redbox just because it looks cheap. Yes, Redbox is going to go down, and it's going to chap cheeks, clap cheeks, whatever Vecna wants it to do. It's going to do something to your cheeks if you don't get out of Redbox. Because it's going to be worth less tomorrow, right? Because your shares are not going to be in Redbox anymore. They're going to be in Chicken Soup for the Soul. And if you get 0.087, you're going to have $1.31 worth of Chicken Soup for the Soul. So $1.31, dude. Don't pay $2.02 for something that you know is currently worth $1.31. My friend says mining isn't really profitable anymore. Yeah, Caesar. So look, dude, with my current setup, no, it's not really profitable anymore. I can continue mining and basically breaking even and buying these coins in my electricity bill, right? The couple things that I do like about mining, even though it might not be profitable at the moment, you can go out and instead of me, mining $1 worth of coins for every $1 in electricity that I spend, or if I spend $1 in electricity and I mine 50 cent worth of coins, it clearly makes more sense for me to just go buy $1 worth of coins and get $1 worth of coins instead of spend $1 on electricity and get 50 cents worth of coins. So at that point, right, if I'm going to be stacking coins, I should just go buy them instead as opposed to mining. If it's right around break even, or I can make a little bit of money by mining those coins, I do think that there is a very large added benefit in nobody knowing that you've got those coins. So if you are mining them, what you're essentially doing them is sending them to a decentralized wallet that is not associated with you whatsoever. And I think that there is a benefit in having a wallet that is unassociated with a centralized exchange that is not KYC'd and so on. So there are benefits to it, and let's say that that's worth 10 cents on the dollar to you. You might actually take a 10-cent loss so that nobody knows you have that crypto. So there are benefits that would allow you to mine even if you're losing a little bit of money for every coin that you do mine. But yeah, it is, we just looked at the numbers there, so it does depend on which graphics cards you're using right now, but some of them are clearly more profitable than others. But if you do think about it, man, if you look at those prices, yeah, if you're mining $2 worth of Ethereum right now, if every graphics card is mining you $2 worth of Ethereum, yeah, a couple months ago, you would have been mining like $6 worth of Ethereum per graphics card. But the good news is, even if you're willing to mine it right now, you still have those coins. So when it goes back up in value, it's like you were mining the $6 worth of Ethereum every single day, even though you were only being paid out that $2. It's not that bad of a deal to continue mining if you keep the coins and wait till it regains its value. Maybe you should be looking into a plastic surgeon as well, or maybe 8 toe. Dude's got extra 8 toes or just 8? No, I need a surgeon. Just need to wrap my Harley into it. Don't do that, man. Can you talk about the tax burn for Loon? Yeah, Hemi Life. So we're still right there, right around the corner from having that burn tax implemented. What we have right now are Terraform Labs and Terra Rebels, both with the same exact update. And in the validators, as soon as they download the new update, they're going to be burning Terra Luna Classic. And 50% of them need to download in order for it to hit the blockchain. So as soon as we have the majority of validators download the new update, we're going to have that 1.2% burn tax. That is based on everything that I've read and everything that I know about this update. Clearly things could change and all those disclaimers and all of that stuff. But I would expect when Terra Luna Classic does announce that it is burning 1.2% of every transaction, people are going to get excited, and people are most likely going to go on a buying frenzy, dude. I think it's going to be a decent catalyst. Even if it doesn't burn a decent amount of coins right off the bat, I think people are going to be excited about it. Is your plan to get money back? No, ignore. John J, I would never ignore you, man. I didn't know if you said something or not. Clear, serious question. We got you regarding Voyager. I got rope, concrete blocks, handcuffs. Let's get your money back. Dark matter emoji and trapper in as well. You coming? I'm coming, John J, dude. Let's go. That's why we need a bounty coin, dude. We need a bounty coin to take care of all of these guys who scam people out of their cryptocurrency. You hold bounty coin, and the bag of bounty coin is sent to whoever gets to the bottom and gets to these criminals first, gets the bounty coin bag. Danger had a good idea on that one. Guys, if we don't have 50 likes, I'm hitting you with an ad because it is 12:30 and I did not see 49. That sucks for you. You guys missed it by 1, and I give you an extra 20 minutes on that one. So Luna sending LoonCon, the BSC network. Zachariah. That I don't know. Man. True story. Something. No, Mango Man. Bring DeSantis. Well, I have no idea. Mango Man, DeSantis. I don't even know what's happening right now. Need DeSantis, Florida. Forget everyone else. Something. Do you think it's possible to trade $1,000 and make profit $1,000 in 1 month's time? How difficult do you think that would be? Kalani. So I think what you're saying is if you've got $1,000 account, can you double your account in 1 month? Yes, I do believe that you can double your account in 1 month. Now, listen, if that's what you're going for, if you're going to double your money in 1 month, you need to take on risk. You're not going to do that in any sort of a safe asset. It's not going to happen. It needs to be risky in order to make that happen. If you want some of the riskiest plays out there, man, Redbox. Buy a put on Redbox today. It's probably going to be doing very well. If you want some of the riskiest plays out there, let's look at SPY or QQQ puts. If we got SPY calls today, where are we at? SPY? QQQ might be better since it's up 2%. Yeah. If you've got these right here, we've had an excellent inflation data, right? If you're looking at options on the QQQ, look at these numbers you're about to see here. These are put options. Look at the calls today. Look at the calls today. These call options on 324 up 60% right now. Yes, these expire, and I can guarantee you if we go a little, if we bring this out, we can see some better numbers here. You doubled that. You doubled your money today in both the 322s and the 323s. Doubled your money. And you're going to see numbers like this every single day. If you go down and you look at the SPY, you can see here, the 416s on the SPY, tripled your money. Made 225%. The SPY right here, 417 strikes, you made 209% today. 418 strikes, you made 167% today. 419s, you made 109% today. You doubled your money doubled or tripled your money in a single day on the SPY right here. Now, the thing you have to know is that this is extremely risky. If you would have bought a put instead of a call, your $1,000 would now be $50. You would have lost 95% of the value. $1,000 just turned into $50 in a single day. If you think you can string a couple of these gains together, you turn your 1,000 into 2,000 or 3,000 here, and then the next day you turn it into 6,000, and then the next day you turn it into 12,000. You're rolling, dude. And all of a sudden, you buy a call again, or you buy a put. Let's say you buy a put, and we have a day just like today. You just turned that 12,000. You lost 95% on it. So you turn it back down into $100. That's the risk in completely leveraging your account every single day if you're playing options. It doesn't matter how much you have. And this right here, man, this is a 70% loss. It's still worth $2 on the day. This is still worth $1 on the day, and so on. But dude, it would be so easy for this right here. If this expires out of the money today, this is going to be a 100% loss. This $1.26 bid is going to turn into 1 penny. This $2.62 bid is going to turn into 1 penny. If the SPY goes back down a little bit, or these are out of the money right here, right now. If the SPY, you're going to lose everything if they expire out of the money. So you do have to be very careful to watch those things just disappear if it expires out of the money. So options can absolutely turn a $1,000 account into a $2,000 account by the end of the month, but it can turn your $2,000 account into $0 too if you're not careful. I suppose I was meaning simply buying and selling. Kalani, yes, you can still do that buying and selling, man. You can still do that buying and selling. But you're going to have to take, I would say, an active role in trading if you want to double your money on a monthly basis consistently. If you look at AMC here, AMC had a nice run. Can you pick these runners before they happen? Maybe, maybe not. But you rode AMC just at the beginning of August 1st, sitting at $14. Dude, you could have ran AMC, $27. $28 would have been your doubling of your money. So you ran that up in just a 1 week period and doubled your money. Can you find runners like that every single day? No, probably not. I don't imagine you could. A lot of the day traders out there that you're going to see, what they do is they come over here and this is the thing that they watch. Top gainers, top losers. They look at this screen right here and they do it pre-market. They do it pre-market and they see what's going on. But let's just go one day gains here. Man, I don't know why it's not working right. All right, let's look at top losers. For some reason, top gainers keeps getting messed up, and I don't know if I need to update Webull or what's going on with that, but it's definitely getting messed up on a one-day basis. So top losers right here is actually sorting correctly. You can see that if these were gains or if you were buying puts or something on them, what these people do is they check this pre-market, They see that, okay, Redbox is moving 40%. It's going to be a big day for Redbox today once the market opens and everybody is able to buy and sell at that point. Everybody is either going to dump Redbox and the losses are going to move down, or they're going to jump in, they're going to view it as cheap, and they're going to start moving. So these day traders, they look at the most active stocks, and then they make a decision to jump in right at the market open. And typically, the most volatile parts of the day are the first 15 minutes and the last half hour. So it's a lot of day traders. They get in at 9:30 and they get out by 9:45, and then they're done for the day. And they may have walked away with a 5-10% gain, and they may have walked away with a 5 or 10% loss, depending on whether or not they got it right that day. But nonetheless, they usually take advantage of the volatility in the first 15 minutes or the last half hour of the day, and then they move on with their lives. But yes, it is absolutely possible, but you got to remember, you got to string together more winners than losers if you are going to actively double your money on a monthly basis. In every trade you make, it's like switching lanes, dude. Every trade you make sets yourself up to get there a little bit faster or potentially crash your car and not get there at all. So you got to be careful, and you really have to manage risk. Let's see. Cassie, I didn't know something. If there's one thing the stock market has taught me, it's never trust price action. AMC will probably test $20 again, and hopefully that doesn't cause a bigger dip by causing panic. Yeah, Crypto Racketeer, man, if it falls down through that, level of support at $20 here, we've got this big purple line on here. If it falls down through that, I mean, look, what we're seeing right here, this action that we're seeing, is very similar to what we saw right here. Remember, this is what we were talking about a couple of days ago, and in the action that we saw with the run-up and then the dip after, we could be setting up for something very similar with the run-up and then the dip after. So, you can't trust that price action is just always going to continue on in the same direction. People are excited about AMC. They are excited about the dividend. But nonetheless, excitement only gets us so far. We need people to be willing to hold through the excitement as well. But yeah, I completely agree with you, Crypto Racketeer. If you want the market to pump, bring back... that rhymes, dude. I like it. Somebody needs to make a shirt. Sold at 27. I'm proud and relieved. Vecna. Yeah, dude. Look, man, there's nothing wrong with being able to sell your shares when you feel comfortable selling your shares. If you want to get back in, obviously you're already in a better opportunity to get back in than you were then. But nonetheless, man, right, it does suck to see these declines and see these fall-offs, especially with everybody anticipating, something amazing going to happen, and we're still kind of sitting here hoping and anticipating that something amazing happens. Hi, crow. I love crows. Beautiful. Dude, crows are pretty big. I had a crow in my backyard not too long ago, and the crows are big. No one feels sad when a car hits a crow. I do. I feel sad when any car hits any animal. I love these little animals, man. Bro, literally paid both my cars and had used my crypto money. Should I replace it with a loan or dollar cost average for the rest of my life? I know it's not financial advice. Paid both my cars and had used my crypto money. Should I replace it with a loan or dollar cost average for the rest of my life? United Brother. Look, okay, I think I understand your situation here. You're trying to wonder if you paid off your cars with money you had invested in crypto, and now you don't know if you should just go out and take the same amount of money that you had invested in crypto and go all in right now and get back in, or just start dollar cost averaging right now and trying to build your portfolio back up. If you truly believe, and this is not financial advice, right? But if you truly believe that this is the bottom, you got to go the loan route. I mean, think about it. If you truly believe that this is the bottom, and we're going to do nothing but move higher from here, let's just say your loan is $20,000, and we have hit a bottom, and all of a sudden we're up 10x by the end of the year or by next year. Dude, you're going to be sitting on $200,000. If it's not the bottom, the loan route would devastate you because you're going to be getting hit with interest on the loan every month, whereas dollar cost averaging would not only be much safer, it's going to give you a better entry price as well because you're going to dollar cost average as we continue to move lower. We did have good inflation data today, so we did have some good news there. That's why we're running. But nonetheless, man, we still have a very tough economy. The government is spending a lot of money in a time when people are being told not to spend to bring prices down. We got a lot of stuff going on right now that I'm not sure is being resolved. And if it's not, I think we got worse times ahead. I think one of the biggest problems that cryptocurrency markets are going to face are these centralized exchanges and the governmental regulation that's heading our way. I think that could, if Coinbase goes down, your loan idea is gonna kill you, man. If Coinbase goes down in your dollar cost averaging, I think you're gonna have a lot better of a entry price at that point. Something to think about, though, man. And it all depends on whether or not you think we've hit a bottom. I don't know if we have, but if you're strong in your conviction, you got to go with it. Or, I mean, even if you think we have hit a bottom and you just want to take things, be a little bit more chill, go the dollar cost average route, man. It's Clay saying my call options at 2350 for AMC has a chance for Friday. One and only Bronson. Listen, I think it's got a chance for Friday. I don't know when you got into your call options on AMC. But look, dude, if we do end up bouncing and you got gains on Thursday and Friday, I don't know if you're going to expire in the money, but you don't have to expire in the money to make money on your call options. If AMC has a decent day, if AMC rebounds by the end of the day, your call options could be positive. Your call options could be making you money, and you would just simply get out at that point. A lot of people think that they have to go into the money to make money on their call options, and that's simply not true. You don't have to go into the money to make money. You can always sell them for a profit if you don't want to wait until expiration and see what happens there. But yes, we could absolutely have a little bit of a rebound, even if it's just intraday, and then we start to move lower after that. You could still have an option or opportunity to make money there. Let's see. Steaks don't have names most of the time. That is true. I don't name my steak. Spinex, is that a bad place to use my crypto? Matthew, I don't know if there's any good place right now. And I know that sounds rough, man, but I don't know if there's any safe, good, like 100% secure place to store crypto. I don't know if we're going to get that until the U.S. government comes in and owns everything, and the only crypto that you can buy is the U.S. dollar. Even then, I don't think that'll be safe. So 970 bought back at 27. Best way to do it, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Oh, yes. Beans and rice. Let's get it, Julia. Beans and rice are good, man. You make a lot of good things with beans and rice. Shib hit a penny before Lunk 10X's. Oh, dude, I hope Shib hits a penny. Subscribe to. Did we hit 94? I need to know if we hit 94. If we did not hit 94, you guys need to call your mom right now and tell her to subscribe. We were only 5 away. 94,000 even. Yes, guys. Yes, we hit 94,000 even right now. Let's see. Subscriber live count. There we... Oh, I don't have it up. I can't. I was going to pull it up and show the live subscriber count right there. Yes, 94,000 even. Man, that is awesome. 94,000 even. I can't bring that up, but yes, 94,000 even right now. Thank you guys for clicking that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. If anybody in here has not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did click that subscribe button. I promise to be good to you. I really do. But we are at 94,000 even right now. Incredible. Guys, thank you very much. But my BNA is for defense. Defense is good, man. Bow and arrow. Guy just says, what's wrong with the bow and arrow? You need some sort of defense. Matic and Ethereum. Eric likes Matic and Ethereum. No, that's a trade, bro. Nice. Crypto Rocketeer. Buying high, selling low, baby. I don't know if I could ever hunt. Don't have it in me. I don't know if you could ever hunt, but shoot, man. Shooting a human that's trying to get you. Definitely do that. Roulette wheel. 94,000 subs. How many bros, though? Roulette wheel. Technically... all 94,000 are bros. I don't know how many actual members are on here. The last time I looked, there was a little over 100, but you guys are declining greatly, man. You guys are declining like flies. Like, you guys are declining like cryptocurrency exchanges out there as the as the crypto prices fall. You guys got to keep those green names, man. 94,000 bros out there right now. Heck yeah. Took me a few hunts to finally pull the trigger because I kept looking into their eyes. Outdoor smile. God, man, you talk about hunting like this. I'm thinking about my little rabbit that's probably in the backyard right now eating some carrots. And you guys are like, oh, I'm going to go kill your rabbit. No, you won't do it, man. You won't do it. You guys think the worst is behind us. Kalani. The market seems to think so. The market seems to think that. I personally do not. A lot of you guys, what do you guys think? Do you think the worst is behind us? Let me know if you think the worst is behind us. Do you have car stickers? Yes, Dark Matter. I do have stickers, man. Actually, I got some stickers right here I can show you. I got a pack of stickers right here. And then obviously you got all the different colors too. But I was looking at these yesterday when I made JB's shirt yesterday. Got some red stickers. Dude, literally any color, man. Red, black, blue, green, yellow. Got all the stickers. And then this is just if you want to hit 2 of them on a thing there. Clearly you can make it like the entire, you can make a giant bro too if you want, but I mean that's like a non-obnoxious level of stickers right there, right? That's a non-obnoxious sticker size, because clearly you can make the bro, you know, that big if you wanted, and it's like slightly obnoxious, bro. I don't know, but not bad. And then yeah, Pika and JB got some stickers. I don't think I put any in Bronson's t-shirt. Bronson's just getting a t-shirt since he won one yesterday. But JB and Pika got some stickers in theirs. Hey, Kevin, a nice bull flag on a 5-minute chart of AMC. Could be looking for a bounce. I hope so, Bronson. I hope so. I want to see the bounces, man. Win hoodie for JB or for you next level. We got one coming for you too. JB's hoodie is either going to be there today or tomorrow, I would say. Maybe Friday at the latest. I would say Bronson actually stands a chance of getting his today, but it'll probably be tomorrow. Hey, 16-inch biceps, big or... Dude, 16-inch biceps are big, dude. Come on, man. What do we... Like, you think everybody's Hulk Hogan and The Rock out there? 16-inch biceps are nice, man. You're rocking 16s, you're doing good. Nope! Fall 94,000 were members, and then closer to 300,000... Dude, if all 94,000 people were members, that would be incredible, man. That would be. I don't know if any other YouTube channel would have a better ratio than that. If 100% of the subscribers were members on the channel, that would be extremely impressive. We're actually at 94,001 subscribers right now, so we got one in the last like 5 minutes, guys. Nice. We're doing well. We're doing well. All right, so where are we going? Man, I just got hungry after saying we're doing well there. Isn't it weird how sometimes you say stuff and it just makes you hungry like that? AMC bouncing back right now, still down 2% on the day, but nonetheless, AMC sitting at 21.88 at the moment, down 2.54%, but a couple green lines bringing us from 21.60 up to 21.80. 20-cent run on the rock. Beckna, get it, man. Get it. Sticker would be amazing. It would have been amazing on my channel. Ah, dang it, man. Bronson, I should have sent you one then. If you would have put it on there, I should have sent you one. I just sent a little YouTube logo and a little bro to JB, and then Pika Power got the bro babe, the little peach with the bro babe on it, and a little bro sticker. Listen, does anybody in here have like a Shopify store or anything like that? You guys have any stores like that? If you do, let me know. I'm thinking about making one. I would really like to set one up because YouTube lets you do a Shopify store now, and the stuff shows up under the videos, and I think it would be cool to, like, if you become a member or something, you get a code and you could go out there and grab a free sticker. I could set it up so there's a discount code or a coupon code on the Shopify store, and you could get a free sticker if you wanted to put it on the back windshield or something like that. I think that would be cool. But I don't know anything about Shopify stores. So if any of you guys have a Shopify store or know what is like know what you're capable of doing with a Shopify store. I think it would be cool to be able to reward people with, have a T-shirt ready to go, or have a bunch of sticker packs ready to go. And if we hit 94,000 subscribers, give away some stickers. If you become a member, you can go claim your sticker pack, and it's all just taken care of at that point. Literally, you just type in your code, and you don't have to give me the address to where to ship it and everything like that. But if anybody does know, I think that would be sweet. If you guys are good on the Shopifys. Y'all wigging me out. No! Outdoor smile! It's better to be prepared than unprepared. We'll just put it that way. Bro, I got an Etsy store. Dark matter. Well, see, the thing that I would like about Shopify over Etsy would be, because you can't currently connect your Etsy store to YouTube, but you can connect your Shopify store to YouTube, and literally the stuff just shows up right under the video then. Kind of like a Teesprings. You know how some channels have like the pictures of their merch under their videos because they're partnered with Teesprings? If you got a Shopify store, you can do that now, and I think that would be easier. Well, you want a sticker pack? All right, just go click on the sticker pack and claim your free sticker pack. Shiba cent, Clay. If Shiba hits a cent, I can guarantee you, Roulette Wheel, we will probably go up to 500,000 subs in a matter of a week if Shiba starts running for a penny. No idea what Sky Sports is. Crypto Rocketeer. Sky Sports. Is that like falling out of an airplane? Tomorrow, Mr. Simon. Heck yeah, I didn't see what Simon said, but tomorrow, come on, my squeeze. Yes, tomorrow we squeeze. I usually don't talk politics here, but I don't want to offend the bros, and I'm mad about yesterday, and no need to talk about it further. Julia Gulia. Julia's awesome, man. Julia's awesome. Let her put a sticker on my Amazon van. Keith, that would be pretty sweet. Keith drives Amazon. Dude, Keith probably like delivering Amazon right now. Dude, Keith, I should give you like a giant sticker pack, and then literally every Amazon package you deliver, you could deliver a YouTube Claybro logo. That would be sweet, man. If you had, I don't have any more of those stickers, but you guys have seen it before, the little YouTube logo with Claybro in it. I should hook Keith up with like a stack of a couple thousand of them, and then every Amazon package gets a Claybro YouTube logo delivered with it. Keith, now we're thinking, man. Would you actually get in trouble if you did that, or not? Like, I don't want to get anybody in trouble, but I don't know the rules. Would you be allowed to hit them up with a free sticker? Someone's saying 94,000. It'll be 94,000 a month, Clay. It's not what. Oh, yeah. If you're talking the green name, no, $299 if everybody was a bro. Yeah, if every single person was a bro, it'd be like almost $300,000. Not even a fraction of 1% are bros. Hashtag wrench for Pudgy. Oh, man, Pudgy going hashtag wrench for Pudgy. Let's get it. She broke the bull flag at about a half hour. Come 23. Let's get it. Bronson, man. I hope it runs back up. Bronson, if you're concerned about the options making some money, man, don't be afraid to take profit. You know what I mean? Like, don't be afraid to take profit if you get into profit there. What's on Sky Sports? Something I have no idea, bro. Man, I'm starving. What's for lunch? Millhouse. I'm thinking maybe some pork fried rice or something for lunch today, dude. I got some leftover pork. I might make pork fried rice. You guys think that's like, you guys think that's good? Because I am hungry too. I got hungry about 20 minutes ago. I would do it for you. Keith, they wouldn't know. Nice. What mama don't know, can't hide it. Heck yeah, Keith. Now that's what I'm talking about. And I think that everybody would be like, oh, this is cool. This is cool. A little free sticker right here. Nobody ever got mad at a free sticker. I mean, come on. You little Claybro YouTube sticker right there. People be checking it out. Heck yeah. Now I got to get Keith a bunch of stickers. Dang, because this is a good idea. Anybody else drive for Amazon? We could just deliver like 10,000 free stickers. See if we end up with 10,000 new subscribers because of it. My options do the opposite. So if you want to get it, yes. If you guys want to get rich, make sure to buy some puts right now because Bronson's playing to the upside. You guys can play to the downside. Play unapologetically country about as heck by Hardy. Something. Like right, I can't play it right now, dude. Clearly, I'll have to order heavy stuff like cat litter and make the mail person angry about delivering Amazon. Oh, God. Oh, Cassie's got it out for her Amazon, man. 1,000 members would be nice, but I think we got to grow a lot further before we get 1,000 members. I would love 1,000 members, man. I think you guys would be awesome. Later, bros. How is it 1 o'clock already? Man, Clay, when you say take profit, does apply to losses too. Yes, take losses as well. Do not be afraid to take a loss, guys. Like, in all honesty, if you're looking at AMC, and I know we're about to leave, if you're looking at AMC and you really don't think that it's going to recover by Friday, and you really think that you're going to expire worthless, there's no shame in saying, okay, you know what? I'm sitting on a 30% loss right now. I would rather walk away with $100 than $0. Yes, I went from $150 down to $100. I don't want to risk walking away with $0 and expiring worthless. So there's nothing wrong at all with walking away of a portion of your money as opposed to none of your money. Now, you do run the risk that things do start to rebound and go up, and it would have been better to hold on from there. But yeah, you can't take shame in booking a loss in order to save yourself from further losses. I would never look at that as a bad thing. But guys, we are leaving right now, so I do want to say some shout outs, and boom, baby, Crypto Rocketeer dabbing on him as always. AMC Chapter saying peace out to the Diamond Hand Apes. We've got Frodo, man. See you later. I just got here and it's time to go, JB. JB, man. See you later, man. We've got King Mamba, man. How much do the t-shirts cost? Because I was going to buy one. Give a shout out. King Mamba, man. Look, the t-shirts are $20, but I don't have a ton of t-shirts right now. So don't go on claybro.com. Don't buy one right now. Let me restock because they're out of all of the Tri-Blend t-shirts. I got to restock on those. But we can do a lot of giveaways too. So make sure to check that out. Looks like Vecna's deleting everybody, so we got to get out of here before things get crazy. Victoriano, see ya later, man. Enjoy your afternoon, Pudgy. Sam Demand number 2 is back. Heck yeah, Sam Demand number 2. Glad to have you in here. 11 on the Samanino, see you later. Julia Gulia, Nufo, Mr. Simon, Crow, J-Bones, Next Level, Sam Demand, Roulette Wheel, Julia Gulia. We got STSYSD. See you later, man. JB, enjoy your afternoon. Hemi Life, Outdoor Smile, Sam Demand, I Have Spoken, King Joey the 8, we got 228, Crypto Rocketeer, Lacey Anderson. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.